In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a group meeting on Calendly. We'll walk through creating a group event from start to finish so multiple people can book the same time slot with you. First, head to Calendly and sign in. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the option to create something new. Click Create to start setting up a fresh event. This opens the builder where you'll define how the meeting should work. From the options presented, choose Event Types. This tells Calendly you want to make a reusable template for bookings. Next, select Group. A group event allows several invitees to reserve the same time, which is perfect for training sessions, webinars, office hours, or any meeting where you plan to host more than one person at once. Now give your meeting a clear, professional name. Type in a meeting name that helps invitees understand the purpose, like weekly Q&A or onboarding session. A concise title sets expectations and improves attendance. Choose duration to define how long the session will last. Pick a length that fits your agenda, whether it's 15, 30, or 60 minutes. Consider how much time you'll need to cover content and handle questions. Next, choose location. You can set this as a video meeting platform, a phone call, or a physical address. If you pick an online option supported by Calendly, conferencing details are added automatically to confirmed bookings, which reduces confusion for attendees. Choose availability to define when people can book this event. Align it with your working hours and make sure the time zone is correct so invitees see accurate options. Setting a reasonable booking window helps you manage demand and avoid last-minute surprises. If you charge for this session, choose payment. You can require payment at booking or set it to none if this is a free event. This step helps prevent no-shows and streamlines your workflow when payment is needed. Choose invitee limit to cap the number of attendees per time slot. This is crucial for managing group dynamics. Set a number that maintains quality while accommodating demand. Then choose host. Select whose calendar should control availability and who will appear on the invitation. If multiple people could host, make sure the right calendar is tied to this event to avoid conflicts. When everything looks good, click Create. Calendly will save your group event with your chosen settings, and it's now ready to use for group bookings. That's it. You've successfully set up a group meeting on Calendly.